All right, everybody, welcome back for the second part of the CertiFlat weld table build put together. I don't want to call it fabrication because all that work's done. So anyways, this video we're gonna get the legs put together, the bracing, and then we need to get on the bottom of these here where it's notched for the legs, there's a little plate that goes in here. We need to weld some nuts to it and for the casters. So we'll think we'll get all of this together, get it tacked together, and then we'll get those done. Actually, I might do those first because it's gonna be pretty high up in the air once I get to that point. So yeah, we'll get those done, get those welded or tacked in there, welded in there for the legs, and then we'll get going on assembling the legs. So gonna get some things set up here. I'm actually gonna flip this table back over so that I can do that, and then we'll get to that. So we'll be right back with you. All right, so what we got going on here, so you got these little plates here, and if we grab one of these legs, you can see how those will actually fit right in there. So what we're going to do on the inside portion, we're going to weld this nut, and then the caster will go straight through, tighten up here, and I guess the old school style that they used to sell actually came with a wrench. This one doesn't. Oh, this one actually has a nut on the bottom. The old school style actually had a nut up here to tighten them in. So pretty nice casters though. Nice locking mechanism on them. Pretty solid engagement. So anyways, what my plans are is, I hope I set this camera up good enough for you guys to see. What I want to do, if my shaky hands will allow it, is line up that hole perfectly, take a little clamp, and just clamp it together. And then I'll just get a couple tacks on it, and we'll do that for all four, and then I'll get it welded up decent so we don't have to worry about, since it's going to be in the inside, I don't ever want to worry about the tacks breaking off, so I want to get some good welds on it so we don't ever have to worry about that. So anyways, let me get these all welded up and we'll be back with you. All right, I got those all welded up in place. Check, made sure they all threaded together. Got the table flipped back over. I'm gonna get you set up on the tripod here real quick, and then kind of show you how this all goes together. And this thing's super simple. Everything just kind of, it's all slotted in grooves, so everything just slots and grooves together, so it makes it super easy to do yourself. Even if you have basic welding skills, this thing is so simple to put together. So anyways, we will be right back. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got these tabs here, those need to face inside because that's where your legs are going to sit. So make sure those are facing inside. And that thing just slides right down into place. I did watch a video of a guy putting this to get one of these together, and they did not slide in nice and easy like that. He actually had to use a dead blow to get them to go. As you can see, slid right in. So now you got these tabs here, and let's see if we can get a good shot there. So right into those tabs, right into those. Tab, tab, tab. So obviously it's still a little wobbly, so I'm going to kind of get it squared up. I got to find a couple ratchet straps and kind of get it situated, and then I'm going to get a couple tacks down low here on each leg on the inside, and then get some tacks up here, kind of hold the thing in place. And once I've got it all plumbed and squared, then I'll get it welded up. So gotta find some straps, and I'll probably be back with a little bit of time lapse on that. All right, so we got her all welded up. Got the casters on, tightened down. Just need to get the table flipped over. But before I do, I'm just gonna grind down these welds real quick. Eventually, I'm gonna get it painted up. Not right now, so it shouldn't be exposed to anything in my garage. If I need to, I'll clean it up when that point comes. But, oh, pardon me. Anyways, just like I said, I'm gonna get these welds cleaned up, flip it over, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so we got it all back down on the ground. I thought I recorded a little section before I flipped it over. We got all the legs welded together, welded to the top, got the casters in and tightened up. As you can see, it rolls around nice and easy, nice and level. And I think it turned out amazing. This is a simple little project, guys. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoy or would be interested in a table like this, I suggest checking out weldtables.com. I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but they do make an amazing product, so go check them out. They make fixtures, a bunch of different fixtures for these tables, tons of products if you're into fabricating. So that's it for this table, part 2. Tomorrow I'm going to be working on, in that box right there, I've got their, I believe they call it a weld horse. It's kind of like a saw horse, but for fabrication. And the point, or the idea behind that is, this table is 2 by 4, 24 by 48, so yeah, 2 by 4. if I need to fabricate up anything any longer, what I can do is just turn this table that way, put the sawhorse right over here, and basically fabricate whatever I need to. So that's kind of the plan. But like I said, I'm going to be working on that tomorrow. I'll probably do a short video on it. If you guys enjoy stuff like this, let me know. If you have any suggestions for future videos similar to this, or anything else you'd like to see, let me know. I'll see what I can do. And if you guys enjoy this content, let me know. I definitely try to bring decent content. I know I'm not amazing at it, but I'm working on improving what I can. So if you have any suggestions, put them in the comments there. I try to reply to every single comment that I ever get. And if you guys aren't subscribed already, definitely subscribe and come along on the journey. So we'll see you guys in the next video.